without coming in behind.
Alright. Huh, I might just go down at this point.
Alright.
Oh, this was a mistake. This was a mistake. Oh, this was a fucking mistake. Oh my god. Woo. Phil, you want to come upstairs, dude. Or I guess hang where you're hanging. Oh, right.
Your ability?
Preparing. Alright.
Acid spitter somewhere. Where are the cops if you see them?
Oh, of course. I don't think we're gonna get them this round.
We got them.
Oh, we did?
Yeah.
Wow.
Those birds.
I think we've got like an SMG or something. Oh. Watch out, Phil. Some came in through the main entrance.
Thank you for the warning.
Oh. Wow. Alright. Oh, I might do something nutty here.
Alright.
Is it right click to light and left to throw?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
I'll do it with you.
Oh, they're getting in the house.
Yeah, that's where I was saying up here.
Nice.
grab more bullets. Or actually, no, I'm out of bullets, aren't I?
Oh, I'm dead.
Oh, at least he'll be up here now. And I think there's more armor in the chest.
Are they downstairs? Like all the way down?
Yeah, they're
Yeah.
downstairs. They're like in our house.
I hope we didn't have anything too good in the chest down there.
Oh, it's dark downstairs too. Oh, it hit something. That hit something too. I wish I
You guys
had
are
more.
mostly downstairs at this point. Where your acid is from?
What's that, dear?
There's a spitter somewhere.
Oh.
Bird above you. Got it.
Uh-oh. How'd you die again? Are you up
Oh,
here? Are they
no,
upstairs?
I jumped down there to kill them.
Oh, I see.
And then I couldn't see because it was dark.
Right. Yeah.
Oh man, it's so laggy for me right now.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
I guess there's a lot of them.
Oh, they basically have free reign downstairs. I can't really do much about it with the current loadout.
Yeah. This is why the barn was good, because it had that open floor.
Yeah.
You could shoot them as they were in. Throw bombs at them and stuff. Well, at least we're close enough to this gate out here.
We need a
Just like
second
one
layer of
less.
concrete. And we need to continue these walls.
Well, some of them broke through these windows in the front here. I had a feeling they would. Broke into the bathroom. Or rather, the front office. Nice. Oh, speaking of. I might go down and punch some things. It's laggy down here. Oh boy. Oh boy. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get back up again. Oh shit.
You rescue?
I'm running. I'm just running. I'll come back in a minute. I dropped down to help Phil. I think being downstairs is a mistake. There's an acid spitter downstairs too. It might be chasing me though. Oh shit. Are you kidding me? I'm falling back to the freaking barn is what I'm gonna do. Yeah, I think the barn is way better than this place. Oh, fuck this. Did that bird just throw acid at me? Sure did. Oh, fuck you. Where'd you go? Come at me. Oh, now you're gonna fly away. Oh, okay. Oh, fuck. Fuck! I think we might have leveled too quickly or something. Shit. Oh, I'm gonna die out here. Fuck. Oh, fuck. Oh, no. No, no, no. All because of a stinking bird. Oh, you're being followed too. There's a lot of them and they're chasing me. Sorry. Oh, come on. Oh, that's sick. Whew. Hey, I meant what I said, dear. I'm gonna be riding my bike outside.
I see you.
And just pick them off. Whew. My heart's racing right now. How many are following me right now?
More hours. I don't see the sight.
You don't see me? I'm on.
Yeah, I see you. Yep, I see you. Yep. You're clear.
I am?
Really?
Have they lost interest?
Coming now.
Oh,
Coming now. One. Got him.
I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna weave back and forth. Oh, what?
Got him.
Alright. Okay, this seems... I wonder if maybe at this point I can start punching people.
Advise caution. Injure yourself if you can.
I'm quite injured right now, actually.
Yeah. On you. Got him.
Okay. Thank you for saving me. There's
Need
one right
turrets
there
for this
too.
next time.
For sure.
One coming at you.
Okay.
Got it.
Okay. There's still more out here, I'm sure.
What's the
Okay,
damage like
more
downstairs,
bullets.
Phil? Haven't really been able to get eyes.
Not terrible, in all honesty.
Okay. Just, they definitely infiltrated the inside.
There are a
There's
few
one down
holes
here
that need to
still.
be patched up. But yeah, nothing awful. Just, enough that they were able to get in and kind of work their way around us.
Yeah.
Okay, so we gotta patch it up a little bit and then expect this. This is probably gonna have another.
Are they done for now?
For now, it's not gonna stay that way.
Okay. Hop
So-
down temporarily and grab what loot we can.
Why can't I take this? Is this not my bike? Wait,
No
what?
idea.
Oh, because my storage is... Oh, right. Woo! That was fun. Alright. Yeah, I'll come back to that later, I guess. The loot bag out by the front. Ah, the damage isn't...
Do the spikes do anything?
I should have hung out over here. What's that?
Spikes do anything?
I don't think so. Ooh, really? Wow, how did they... Okay, so how did they get in the house so fast?
They chew through this wall. They came in pretty hard this side.
Did you already repair it or something?
No.
Oh, here. This wall. Oh, this wall. They like this wall. Interesting.
Yep.
Probably because this thing right here gives them height. And what are these?
Yeah.
Here? Why are these here?
I have no idea.
Where did they even come from?
Oh, those
Did you guys build
blocks?
those?
I built those blocks from the
Oh.
inside early on, trying to
Because you were
at
trying to
least
climb up, or
stave them off.
Oh.
Oh, that gives them. Oof.
They just chew through the wood walls up here. Next wipe coming probably pretty soon. They're upstairs. Chests are intact? Question mark.
Okay. We can't do 2 layers of walls here. Well, I ate all my food, it seems.
Same. Actually, I got one pie. I have a blueberry pie if you want it.
Oh.
Either of you.
So, definitely should make more pipe bombs, huh?
Maybe.
If I'm going to be meleeing, I probably should wear actual, like, real armor. Oh.